speed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. Today, I have an exciting video lined up for all you remote control car enthusiasts. I am going to unbox and review this remote control car that promises both on-road and off-road action. This remote control car comes with a USB charging cable and a rechargeable battery. The USB charging cable is designed to be short, typically measuring around 5 inches or 13 centimeters in length. Its compact size makes it convenient for charging the remote control car without any unnecessary cable clutter. This cable can be used with various remote control cars that support USB charging. The rechargeable battery of this remote control car has a voltage rating of 3.7 volts. This rechargeable battery eliminates the need for disposable batteries and provides a more sustainable and cost-effective solution. The remote control car also comes with a remote control. The remote control that comes with the remote control car is an essential component for controlling and maneuvering the car. Do you know that you can sometimes use one remote control to control multiple remote control cars having the same frequency? This remote control is ergonomically designed to fit comfortably in your hand, allowing for easy and precise control of the remote control car. This remote control features 2 joysticks that enable you to control different functions of the remote control car. This remote control is easy to understand and offers excellent responsiveness. This remote control is powered by replaceable batteries. This remote control requires 2 1.5-volt batteries of size AA to operate. These 2 AA batteries are not included in the box, so you need to purchase them. And here it is, the sleek and stylish remote control car. It's compact yet powerful, designed to tackle both on-road and off-road terrains. The build quality looks impressive, and I can't wait to take it for a spin. This remote control car features a 120 scale radio control. This remote control car is sold at an affordable price. The car comes equipped with a robust suspension system that absorbs shocks and bumps, ensuring a smooth and stable ride, even on uneven surfaces. Now, let's talk about speed. This little beast can reach an impressive top speed, thanks to its powerful motor. Alright, it's time to put this small sport remote control car to the test. Let's see how it performs on both the road and off-road.